Now we'll see the next question of the same type of the next question. Ani and Boni are partners in a firm, sharing profit losses equally. Their balance sheet as at 31st March 2017 is as under. One balance sheet is given. Thereafter, Carl was taken as a partner for 1/4 share of profit with effect from 1st April 2017. So read the question. So related to revaluation account, point number A, B, C are related to revaluation account. So first of all, we prepare the revaluation account. First of all, we will prepare revaluation account. Okay, revaluation account. From the information given just after the balance sheet, we will prepare revaluation account. Only 3 informations are there related to revaluation. Okay. So number 1 information is bad debts amounting to rupees 1500 to be written off. Bad debts, and in the balance sheet provision for doubtful debts is already 1000. Provision for doubtful debts have a credit balance. So provision for doubtful debts will be debited by 1000. To cancel it, to debtors will decrease by 1500 because of bad debts. So difference amount will be transferred to revaluation account. That amount is 500. This is the difference amount. Provision for bad and doubtful debts already exists in the book 1000, and thereafter in the information number 1 it has written that the bad debts amounting to 1500 to be written off. So bad debts, when it is written off by 1500, so debtors will decrease. But already we have a provision for doubtful debts, then that will be adjusted and difference amount will be transferred to revaluation account. This is for the treatment journal entry of the first transactions, first adjustment, first revaluation. So this side we will write to debtors account 500, only 500. Okay, to debtors account 500. Thereafter stock to be taken over by Ani. Ani is the old partner at rupees 12,000. In the balance sheet, stock is 10,000. It means stock is increased by how much amount? Balance sheet figure, book value is 10 and it is increased. It is taken over by the partner Ani at rupees 12. It means it is increased by 2,000. And next, in the next entry, this stock will be transferred to Ani's capital. So the entry will be Ani's capital account debit to stock account. He has taken over the stock at rupees 12,000. This is the entry for the second information. So this will be transferred to revaluation account by stock. We will write this side by stock 2000, by stock 2000. Okay, credit side. Plant and machinery to be valued 50. In the balance sheet it is 60. In the balance sheet plant and machinery is 60 and it is valued at what figure? Valued at 50. It means it is decreased by 10,000. It is decreased by 10,000. Plant and machinery is decreased by 10,000. To plant and machinery account 10,000. If you want to know the entry will be revaluation account debit to plant and machinery, because plant and machinery is decreased by 10,000 from 60,000 to 50,000. Only this much information is given for revaluation. So which side is more? This side is more. You do the total of this side 10,500. This side is your, find out the difference amount. It is 8,500. So loss on revaluation loss on revaluation transfer to old partners capital account. Old partners capital account. Who are the old partner? Ani and Boni. So this amount will be transferred to old partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio, and profit sharing ratio is equal. So this amount will be transferred equally 1:1, 4,250. So what will the entry of this loss? This entry for this loss will be Ani's capital account debit, Boni's capital account debit to revaluation account. Yes, am I right? This is the entry of loss, 4,250, 4,250, and it is 8,500. Yes, 8,500. Up to this it is clear? So I am going to erase it now. For preparing the partners capital account, I am going to prepare the partners capital account thereafter. Partners capital account. Okay. So see the partners capital account format. Partners capital account. 3 partners. So this is for Ani, this is for Boni, and this is for the new partner name is what? Carl. This is for Boni. This is for Ani. Ani, Boni, and Carl. Okay, credit, debit, heading is partners capital account. You know, particular, we have to write particular this side. This is for the amount in rupees. This is for also particular of credit side. This is for the amount in rupees. Okay. Now start posting. First we'll do the posting of previous balance of capital by balance brought down from the old balance sheet. In the old balance sheet, the capital of both the partners are 45 and 40,000 respectively. Okay. The asset side goodwill has given 10,000, so we have to write off the goodwill. So we will do the posting in the debit side to goodwill, and this amount will be transferred to the partner in their old ratio 5,000 and 5,000 to the old partner only. If you want to see the entry of this goodwill given in the balance sheet is 10,000, we are going to write it. So Ani's capital account debit, Ani's capital, Boni's capital to goodwill. We have to write off the goodwill which is given in the balance sheet 10,000, and this will be transferred to old partners in their old ratio. This is the treatment for writing of goodwill. This is the treatment of writing of goodwill. Goodwill is written off, which is given in the previous balance sheet, old balance sheet. Okay. We have to transfer this loss this side to revaluation account, because this capital are debit to revaluation. So in the capital account, this will be posted in the debit side 4,250, 4,250. Information number E, you see the information number E, Carl to bring 50,000 as his capital. So this entry is very simple. Cash account debit to Carl's capital. Carl's capital is able to pay 50,000 as capital. Okay, so this will be posted this side by cash account. By cash account in the column of Carl, 50,000 for his capital contributions. Point number D, it has written that the goodwill of the firm is valued. Goodwill is valued 20,000. Point number D. You see the point number D. Point number D. This one. You see that this point number D I am explaining. Goodwill is valued 20,000, and then you see point number E as well, which is related to goodwill. That is, he was unable to bring in cash his share of goodwill. So, new partner, Carl's share of goodwill will be Carl's share of goodwill. You have to find out the Carl's share of goodwill. 20,000 is the total goodwill of the firm, and the Carl's share of is 1/4 share in the profit. In the new firm, Carl's share is 1/4 in the new firm. 1/4 share of profit in the new firm. So Carl's share of goodwill is how much? 5,000. So if the new partner is unable to bring his goodwill, then Carl's current account will be debited. Current account will be debited with this 5,000, and this amount will be transferred to Anis and Bunny's capital account in their which ratio? In their sacrificing ratio. In their sacrificing ratio. So if the old partner's share is not going to change in the new firm, then the old ratio and the sacrificing ratio will be same. So sacrificing ratio will also be 1:1, 2,500 and 2,500. This will be distributed in the ratio of this. So this will be posted this side by Carl's current account. 2,500 to Anis and 2,500 to Bunny's. Okay. Point number F, reserve, general reserve not to be distributed. For this purpose, it was decided that Carl's will compensate the old partner through his current account. So we'll do the entry just like a treatment of goodwill, this goodwill treatment. So in the general reserve which is given in the balance sheet is how much? General reserve. You see the general reserve. General reserve is 15,000. So 1/4 of it, 3,750. Okay. So 3,750 Carl's current account will be debited, and this amount will be transferred to the partner's capital account in their sacrificing ratio 1:1:1. So 1:1, 1875. 1875. Is it clear? 1875. So this will be posted in this side by Carl's current account 1,875 and 1,875. Is it clear? Yes. In point number B, I have already done the journal related to point number B. Stock is to be taken over by Anis. So I have written that Anis capital account debit to stock account. This will be posted in the debit side in the Anis column. That is 12,000. Anis is ready to take the stock at 12,000. So this one. Now we will find out the new capital balance. We will find out the new capital balance. So it is 50, 5, 7, 3, 4, 4, 44,375, 5, 7, 3, 9, 4, 49,375. So I will write the same amount over here, 49,375, 44,375 and 50,000 respectively. Now we will find out the new capital balance. So new capital balance will be the difference amount, okay? $28,125, 28,125, and second one is 5, 2, 1, 35,125 and it is 50,000. Now we will prepare the new balance sheet thereafter. We will prepare the new balance sheet. We prepare the new balance sheet thereafter. So the new balance sheet, not thereafter, we prepare the new balance sheet. So revaluation account is created. If you see the entry, revaluation account debit to debtors account, revaluation account debit to plant and machinery, stock account debit to revaluation, unused capital account debit, bonus capital account debit to revaluation, cash account debit to Carl's capital, Carl's current account debit to unused capital to bonus capital, Carl's current account debit to unused capital to bonus capital, unused capital account debit, bonus capital account debit to goodwill, unused capital account debit, bonus capital account debit to revaluation, unused capital account debit to stock, and this is for the new balance of capital, new balance of capital. Now thereafter we'll prepare balance sheet. Balance sheet as at which date we are going to prepare? As at 1st April, just next day of the admission, 1st April 2017. This is the next day of the previous balance sheet. That's why it is called revised balance sheet. That's why it is called revised balance sheet, or you may say it is a new balance sheet after the admission of a new partner. After the admission of new partner. And who is the new partner? Carl's is the new partner. Carl's. So this side is your liabilities. This is for amount in rupees. Assets, amount in rupees. Once again the question is, can we write debit and credit in the balance sheet? Yes or no? No. Why? Because balance sheet is not a ledger, it's a statement. Okay, that's why we never write debit and credit in the balance sheet. But you know it well that in balance sheet, the credit balance we write this side, all the liabilities have a credit balance and all the assets have a debit balance. We write all the assets and we know that the assets always have a debit balance and liabilities have the credit balance. Now come to the new balance sheet. First of all, in this balance sheet we will write the new capital account. Capital account. So unused capital, unused, bonus and Carl's. So their capital are here. Revised capital after all adjustment, revaluation loss, goodwill adjusted, which is given in the balance, writing of goodwill, new capital, the goodwill which is valued, and the adjustment of general reserve. So this is the new capital balance, 28,125 of one partner, another partner's capital balance is 35,125 and then 50,000. This balance 28,150, 35,150 and 50,000 is the balance of the partner. So if you add this one, you see the figure, $1,13,250. Yes. Now come to the previous balance sheet. You see in the previous balance sheet sundry creditors is there. There is no change in the value of sundry creditors, neither increase nor decrease. So sundry creditors will be as it is as before 21. Now general reserve will be reflecting over here, general reserve. Why the general reserve is reflecting over here? Any reason? Normally general reserve is transferred to partner's capital account credit side, because only old partner have a right. But in this question, in point number F, it has mentioned that specifically that general reserve not to be distributed in between the partners. So they are advised and instructed me not to distribute general reserve. This, don't distribute it. Then what do? I will do the adjustment of this. So it was decided that Carl should compensate the old partners through his current account. Even this line, if it is not given in the question, then also we do the treatment of this way what I have done it here. For transferring the proportionate amount of general reserve, total general reserve is 15. First of all, I have calculated 1/4 share of 15,000. That comes around 3,750. Yes, exactly 3,750. Thereafter, I have transferred this amount to the old partner's capital account in their sacrificing ratio 1:1. So 1,375. This is this much amount. I transferred to both the partners' capital account 1,875. Yes. So we see the instruction given in the question as well while solving the problems. So this is clear. General reserve will reflect over here. Now come to the asset side. Cash at bank. First one is cash at bank. Cash at bank, the previous figure was 20,000. Now cash at bank was 20,000. Okay. And the new partner has given capital. Capital, how much capital he has given? He has given 50,000 as capital. So you added 50,000 because entry, you remember, cash account debit, or you may write the bank account debit to Carl's capital. So bank account, when it is debited, so that will be added to the previous balance, and it is 70,000. Okay. If you want to see the, okay, I will discuss it about just now. Now see the sundry debtors. Sundry debtors 22,000 and provision was this. So finally sundry debtors, regarding the sundry debtors, it has information has given 22,000 minus 1,500 is considered as bad debts. So 20,500 is the new value, new figure. Come about the plant and machinery. Plant and machinery. So plant and machinery, there is no change here. Plant and machinery is decreased by 10,000. The previous value of plant and machinery was 60 and it is decreased by 10. So the new revalued figure is 50. Okay. Now stock, come to the stock. Stock is taken over by Anis. Anis has taken over the stock. So in the new balance sheet, this will not reflect. In the asset side, this stock will not be reflected because the stock is taken by one of the partner, Anis. Okay. Goodwill, I have already written off the goodwill over here. So in the balance sheet, goodwill is given. I have write off the goodwill by way of transferring that amount to the old partner in their old ratio. So one more is Carl's current account will be reflected over here. Carl's current account. Carl's current account. Current account. In Carl's current account, we have done the treatment of two. First one is for, if you remember, for goodwill, which was valued 20,000. Thereafter, we have calculated 1/4 of it, 5,000, and then that amount is transferred. Carl's current account to Anis Capital to Bonis Capital. Are you remembering? 50,000 will be transferred 2,500 and 2,500. This one. Another entry I have done it for general reserve. General reserve was 15,000 and 1/4 of this amount was 3750. This amount is also transferred to Anis and Bonis Capital. So this is 5,000 this amount, and the next entry I have done it for the general reserve 3750, 1875 and 1875. Yes, so 3,750 total. So in the current account 5,000 plus 3,750 will credit, we will write total 8,750. Total this much amount we will write it. Now we'll do the total of the both side. We'll do the total of both side. Okay, we'll do the total of both side. Now see the total. 052,314 or 5941, 1,49,250. This side 0, 5, 7, 5 or 7, 12, 1 carry 1 or 8, 9, 7 to 9, 14, 14, 1,49,250, 1,49,250. Yes, I am talking about the cash at bank. This was I am talking, if it is required to prepare the cash ledger or bank ledger, then how will prepare it? Bank account. Bank account. Debit balance of bank account to balance brought down. Debit balance of bank account given in the question was, it was 20,000. And new partner Carl's has given capital. So bank account debit to Carl's capital account, it was 50. Yes. Thereafter no transaction related to bank. So this side by balance carried down 70,000. By bank balance carried down. Balance carried down. This is the credit one. This is the ledger of bank account. Ledger of bank account, and this amount I am reflecting over here. I am reflecting over here. So is it clear? Yes. Revaluation account, partners capital account, bank account and balance sheet. Is it clear? So you go through that and revise it again and again. Revise it again and do more and more practice. Practice from the illustration, practice from the exercise, do more and more practice. Okay.